Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to create Facebook ID on iPhone. So let's get started the video without any delay. For that, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. If you don't have the Facebook app on your iPhone, you will need to download and install it from the App Store. In the Facebook page, tap on Create a New Account at the bottom of the page. Now tap on Get Started. It's a blue button in the middle of the screen. On the next page, you enter your first name and last name. Then tap on Next button. On the next page, you need to enter your birthday and scroll through the months, days and year with your finger at the bottom to select your birthday. Then tap on Next button. Here you need to select your gender. Tap on Next. Enter your phone number and tap on Next. Then enter the password and tap on Next. Now tap on Save option. Then tap on Agree. Then check your email or text messages. A code will be sent to the email account or phone number you used to create your account. Enter the verification code and tap on Next. Now if you want to add your picture, tap on Add Picture, otherwise skip it. Now you will see a message that says Welcome to Facebook. Let's start customizing your experience. On the next page, tap on Next. Now tap on Continue in the pop-up menu. Then tap on Next. Add your friends and tap on Done.